And you have the batteries for these? How many? 4 alarms, Dad. We're arming you in at night. No more midnight strolls for you.
All right, so I'll walk.
What'd you say?
He said, okay, so I'll walk instead of stroll.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's probably going to be very loud.
If you look at the back, I think there's an opportunity to have it chime.
Oh. Would it be good? Would it wake you?
I would have to listen to it
No, yeah.
to hear it.
Look at me, I'm not gonna turn it on.
Do you have scissors or something?
Oh, jeez.
Holy shit. And Shinola. Are they baby proof too, for crying out loud? Look at that. It's not even heavy. It's like so lightweight. All right, well. Gotta put a battery in it. Oh, they're not the right ones. Look. That's not right.
No.
Nope,
It looks like there's, what? 3,
wait a minute.
look. We need AAAs. That's not right.
Oh
That's a
my
9
God.
volt.
Yeah,
Wait, they sent these?
No.
Or did Gigi buy them?
yeah, these
Yeah, that's not the right one.
Oh, good God.
Yeah, they don't.
Nope. It's a completely different battery. This
Well,
is like,
another
like-
idea down the drain.
no, it's not, Dad.
Why? How many
Well-
chances do you think you get at this stuff?
Well, do you have batteries somewhere?
I don't, what,
I
may have
need,
some.
I
don't know.
need AAA. The little ones.
I know they are, I don't know if we got it or not.
AAA, not 9 volt.
AAA. 3 AAA they take.
I thought it said
What did I just give you?
Yeah, you're right, Dad. You gave them to me. That's right.
Oh my goodness, I honestly thought
No,
they
I
were
know.
supposed to be 9 volt.
Well, now you have 9 volt for
Well, for all the batteries.
Yeah.
Or for the
smoke
smoke
detectors.
detectors. I thought I
For all the
just
batteries.
saw a whole new thing of,
Well, Dad gave me these. They were already open.
The battery in them, right there, right in the corner.
Okay,
whoa.
hold on.
Ladies. Horrible. You told me.
We're doing this because
Yeah, AAA.
some people know, some people don't. But back after Christmas, when Dad was having a hard time and he wasn't sleeping well, he one night we think he got locked out of the house, and he ended up walking at midnight. Right, Dad? All the
And
way
rain
over.
and the ice and the snow, and then they didn't give me even, no, I'm not kidding.
So dramatic.
He didn't. He's kidding. It was very cold, but anyway, he ended up, thank God, walking over and making his way over to Aaron and Matt's house. So we got these door alarms. So hopefully,
Riff-raff like me walking by can't get in.
so
Idea,
these,
isn't it?
It's a great idea.
See?
it chimes or an alarm. Why is it? But it flashes low battery.
Oh, I'll hear that.
Or
Yikes.
it's this. Hold on. It stops flashing, I think, when it's ready.
The chime.
Oh,
Wow. Yeah. When you turn it to what you want it, like to turn it on, the light flashes. And then once the light stops flashing, it's ready.
Okay.
So, I didn't even, all right. So let's go to the front door.
yeah, let's hear it.
Alright, I shut it off. So. Alright, I'm gonna put it on chime. Did the red light, yeah. So as soon as the red light goes out, it'll be ready, Mom.
Okay.
Alright, so.
Ready?
That's as far as I got.
Perfect.
So, and if he starts trying to figure out what it is, you're gonna be out here in time anyway.
How do you turn it on and off?
Right
Is it
here.
just-
It's just up is chime, middle is off, and down is
Oh,
alarm.
so that can't
That's
be
it.
simpler.
So super easy. This isn't even. I think it's just a sensor. I mean, how easy is that?
How do you feel about that?
Well, we weren't gonna tell you this.
Tell me what.
That we're getting you an alarm.
It's not for me.
It matches mine.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
So neither one of us
So
can
we're a
leave.
couple.
Couples alarms. A couple of alarms. That's us. How true. So neither one of us can be roaming around. All right.
Can't be too careful.
That works.
All right, good. That works. So now you just gotta pick which doors.
How many batteries do we have? Can we set up any more?
Yes.
Yeah,
You
there's
could
plenty.
set up as many as you own. I mean, you can, I'm not being facetious, you could buy 10 boxes and put them out.
No, I'm talking about how many batteries do
Mom
we
didn't know
have
how many
Oh.
batteries we had
Oh, I
because
know.
you have to put 3 in each,
in each.
and here's 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right there. It's
So-
still in the package, and here's 2 here, it didn't count that.
So there's 10.
So we can
So
do
we can
three,
do 3.
which would be good.
For now, I mean, you can
Yeah.
always get more.
Are there more? I just bought this package though, it's not too long ago, so
The AAA.
AAA.
Yeah,
I'll give-
because those 9 volts will work for
All the smoke
all the
detectors.
smoke detectors. But Dad's right, as far as how often you think you're gonna have to change these batteries
I
in
don't
these
think
things.
all that often, I mean, how often do you know, because they don't, if that one goes off, and there's another one hung on that door over there, it's not gonna go off.
No,
So, you know, the only ones that are activated and used.
because the only way they go off is if you touch it. It's not even.
Yeah.
It's not
And-
electric.
yeah,
or it's
and-
not.
I mean, and-
They're not hooked to each other.
And there is most, just that everybody, like, for instance, you know, the cleaning lady has to know,
It's only going to be on overnight,
Yep. And during the day,
not during the day at all.
we're just gonna shut them off.
oh, okay.
No, I might even just take them off.
Well, yeah, I will.
Yeah, they're not gonna be on during the day at all. It's only from the time we go to bed until I get up in the morning and I'm, awake.
Yep.
So, it's just overnight. So I think your idea is right, of just here, the front door.
The
in
only
our room.
thing that you're gonna wanna be careful of, I think, is that you get up early in the morning. If you go over and touch it, it's gonna go off. To shut it off. So, I mean, do you normally go out the front door when you get, or go near
No, but in
These
order to
things set to-
deactivate
They
it,
set to translate to some,
that's interesting.
to transmit to another system, I mean, would set the other door, you set the other doors in here?
the, nope, because they're all independent. They're
Okay.
just,
Alright, so somebody accidentally, didn't even know they're there, could still just bump the front door.
right,
And it's the only place it's going off.
right, yep, yep. So it's not like your whole
But
house is
Otherwise,
gonna.
you could go nuts in there and try to turn it
Oh
off.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. I agree. But the idea of it is that it'll wake Mom up at night, and I think, that's all we wanted, is to make sure that, if you, for whatever reason, have lack of sleep or aren't sleeping well again, or have a period of time where that happens, that way you don't get locked out of the house again and try and find your way back in the pitch dark and then end up all the way on the other side of the golf course,
So, I'm still confused. in order to shut it off?
I think that's the problem. Well, not a problem, but you have to do the thing. So, all right, so so it's on, okay? As soon as that stops blinking, it's ready. Okay. So if I want to turn it off, I'm wondering, oh, you know what? Look at the red light. I wonder if it'll let me do it when the red light, I don't know. That's the only issue. So, I'm sure you're not going to go out the door at 6:30 in the morning, you know, but Dad sleeps until, here comes Sean, we can ask him, but
There he is,
there's,
better known as the alarm guy.
What are you doing?
well, we got one out
Yeah?
and we turned
Hi,
it
Sean.
on. And we were just discussing about how,
Is everybody in the neighborhood getting one so you can't break into anybody's house? What's going on?
We were thinking about
You
maybe,
told me 8 doors.
we
in
thought
the
maybe we'd
house.
give them to everybody, but here and there, we'll leave the battery in, another place we'll leave one out.
Just to keep it sporty.
Yeah.
I got you.
You know, and then if they come in and say, well, this is broken, say, oh, I'm sorry, here, let me give you another one. You just switch them out.
Yeah, that's the only tricky piece. Because I looked in the instructions.
well, that's kind of a manufacturing flaw, shall we say?
Yeah.
Ooh, that is good. Very sensitive. That's about as good as it's gonna get.
What do you do?
Just gonna have to just grab it and shut it off.
Oh.
Remember is that you don't have to go to off. You just have to switch the switch. So if you come out here in the morning and you're doing whatever, and you have to go out this door, so now it's alarmed, right? I have it all the way down. So if I just simply get my hand ready and then, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay, so if it's on chime, get my hand ready, just put it.
Just
push
turn,
it
and all I
down.
did was I just put it in the next direction all the way up.
Okay,
So then once it's silenced, then you just turn it off.
right.
Just gotta be super quick.
You just gotta, all you gotta do is just move it to the next one.
Yeah.
Right? Here.
All right, so,
Demonstration time, Kelsey.
Let's do this.
Is it blinking?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
Let me know when it stopped.
Okay, it's still blinking. It stopped.
Ready? Bank robbery.
so now it's blinking, so then you can just
Well,
shut
now you just turn it off.
So, that'll be good,
Bada
'cause if
bing,
you're that
bada
quick,
boom.
it won't wake Dad
Bada
up.
bing, bada book.